Guys, the strobes I'll be showing you in this video are strobe light strobes by Showtime Fireworks. Alright, so first I'll just show you guys just what this strobe looks like. Oh, it's pretty cool. I'm just gonna drop one inside of a box. See if it looks cool at all. Ooh, that other one is hot. Just my hand is above it. I can feel that. Wow, that flame got big. These are pretty cool. I have another bag of them here. See what happens when I light two of them together. Alright guys, I have two of them fused together here. Wonder if this is any bigger. Oh yeah. Wow, that's bad. Wow, those were cool. Alright guys, those were strobe lights by Showtime Fireworks. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below.